Hi guys, do you want to stop or turn off some or all of your Facebook notifications? This video will show you how to turn off Facebook notifications from your Facebook app and on your device. Now, let's start with turning off notifications from the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then you tap on Settings. In the Settings section, locate the Preference section. Now you tap on Notifications. This will open up your notifications settings. You can decide to mute notifications or select the notifications you want to turn off from the list of options on the screen. You toggle the switch to off the notifications of your selected choice. Now, to turn off Facebook notifications on your iPhone device, you tap on from the Facebook app, then you click on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Locate and tap on Facebook. Once it's open, you toggle the switch beside Allow Notifications to turn off all notifications from Facebook. Now, you will not receive Facebook notifications on your device. However, you can switch to which Facebook notifications you want to turn off. You can turn off the notifications on your lock screen, the notifications center, or the banners. You can also access your Facebook app directly from here by tapping on Facebook notification settings below. Now, that's all for the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Bye, and see you in the next video.